Hey, this is Kevin with Tern Bicycles, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install the Hardshell Hauler. The installation is super simple. All you need is a 5mm Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. So starting off, we're gonna grab the Hardshell Hauler and the 2 bolts, and we're gonna mount it to the bike. And I like to start by putting the bottom bolt in first, and then putting in the top one. And make sure that you have the washers on both sides. And moving on to the other side, we will put the washers and the nuts on. And I like to just thread them with my hands first, like so. Then grab your Allen key and your wrench and tighten it down. These should be securely tightened to between 10 and 12 Newton meters. The final step of the installation is to secure this cable to make sure that it's not impeding on anything. So grab your strap, self-fastening strap, and feed it through this middle section of the bracket. Right in the middle of the mounting points, and secure it. And fasten it down. Make sure that you're able to still steer your bike. And now that everything is properly installed, we can go ahead and set the code for the combination lock. So at the factory, the code is set to 000, and to set your own code, you just have to push this red tab so that it goes to set. Now that it's on set, you can set your own passcode. So for example, I want to set it to 111. Push the red tab back down, and now 111 will be your code. And you can pull the tab down to open the Hardshell Hauler. And now when you jumble up the code, you're not able to open it, and you can't change the code again. Reset your code, change it to something else. Just set to the current combination, and you can reset to another number. And there you have it. Your Hardshell Hauler is all set and ready to go.